Guys, latest updates. US Christmas Day airstrike in Sokoto State calls for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu relocation to another prison.
Hello my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, I want to use this medium to thank each and every one of us that has been supporting me, sharing my video and also praying for our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The reason why I bring this particular video here is because of what this our brother that you have seen on my screen just said concerning what Donald Trump did to Sokoto and what we need to do right now. So stay tuned and hear from him, and do not forget to share so that other Biafrans can be able to watch this particular video and also know what to do immediately, because this one is very important message and it is necessary for us to know. So share this video and remain blessed. Thank you and God bless you. One love.
Guys, latest updates. US Christmas Day airstrike in Sokoto State calls for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu relocation to another prison. This is coming from Sahara Reports. Sahara Reporter is calling on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be relocated to another prison since US they strike Sokoto. I don't like stories that touches the heart. Make nothing happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The story go twist, the story no go funny, the story no go like, the story no go sweet for ear. Una go come out for the one that they talk, because they talk another one. Make una relocate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Sokoto prison to Kuje prison in Abuja, or rather carry am go for Nasarawa state where they close to Abuja. Come out am for Sokoto prison where bandits feel, where they bomb. Make nothing happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Guys, share this video now, make this thing go viral. Make una relocate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to another prison before it is too late. I no like wetin I no like. I no like stories that touches the heart. I no wan make una come the tag am say na US Air Force na dem kpai am, na US invasion na dem kpai am, say no be Nigeria government or no be this one, say na the bomb wey dem throw na him come kpai am, say nothing concern us. Make Igbos go hold the US government. Nobody go hear that story. Nobody go hear that story. Relocate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now before it's too late. Anyways, guys, let me know your thought in the comment section. What you think is the best option? Share the video, peace and love. Donald Trump, I tell God beg you. Your first strike na Sokoto when it starts. Remember, I have an important person in Sokoto prison, in the person of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Please, on no account should you try anything that will affect that Sokoto prison. I tell God beg you. I beg. Remember that we have a very important person in that Sokoto, because that place might be the first place where you dey attack. And that attack where you do that yesterday, me I like Amo. I congratulate you well, because allegedly Northerners leaders are going to lose a lot of business. Bandits are no longer going to be kidnapping people again. At least they will fall back and fix Nigeria. Yes, this thing now will help us fix Nigeria, because nobody will kidnap people now, demand ransom and carry the money, come give them. They go use and they oppress people. At least this attack what you do now go make them to come back and fight Tinubu to fix Nigeria. But please, I tell God beg you, Trump, no near Sokoto prison. I beg. No near Sokoto prison. Please, on no account should you near Sokoto prison. Just instruct your people, may they avoid that area, that prison center. May they avoid that area. I beg. I get important person. If you want wipe out every other thing where they exist for that Sokoto, just avoid that Sokoto prison. I beg. If you can do this for me, the rest of the work will support you 100%. Come and do the work you know how to do best. Leave this our thief leaders that only interested in what is not making the country forward. Thank you. God bless you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.
If you are supporting this government of Tinubu, it no go better for you. If you are an APC member, if you have a friend that is an APC member, declare that person enemy, because that person is after your life. That person is after your life. You need to declare that person an enemy immediately. Because tell me, how can you be enjoying while your people you're leading are suffering? Look at Christmas. It doesn't even look like we are in a Christmas season. People are suffering. There's no money. There's no food for the people. Nigerians are suffering today because of one man's ambition, because of Tinubu's ambition. We've never had it like this in the history of this land. Tinubu is the worst president I've seen in the history, in my 33 years of being alive. In my 33 years of living. Tinubu is the worst thing that ever happened in Nigeria. Look at Nigerians are suffering every day. Christmas, there's no electricity, there's no good road, no basic amenities. You didn't provide everything. You didn't provide not even one thing. You didn't provide anything for the citizens of this country, and you want to tax the people you didn't provide anything for. You didn't give us job. You didn't give us nothing. There's no employment, and you want to tax the people you didn't provide for. This is bad. This is the leadership rascality at the apex. Nigerian people need to wake up. Nigerian youth, the spirit in you has to die. The spirit of fight needs to come out. We've suffered a lot in this country. It's time we take back our country. This is time we take back our country from these scavengers. Common electricity, Nigerian government cannot give the people. Later they will tell you are not in band A. I am in band A. I don't see any light. This is Christmas. People will spend their money in acquiring, in purchasing what they will eat. All of them will spoil because there's no electricity. And we call ourselves giant of Africa. Giant of fools. Giant of Africa, my nyash. We cannot be giants of Africa when the citizens don't have a say. If you talk, they will pick you up. If you don't talk, they will still kill you. It's better we talk and die. Nigerian governments are wicked. The whole world needs to come for the rescue of Nigerians. Nigerian people are suffering. No good food, no good. You didn't provide nothing for us, and you want to tax the people you didn't provide anything for. This is the worst government I've ever. Abacha government is even better than this government. It's better we're even under military regime than this we are now, because this is not leadership. This is not leadership. Already the APs are planning on 2027 when people are dying in 2025. They have started campaigning when Nigerians are suffering. And when you talk, all their boats will come and attack you. It no go better for you. I carry stand swear for you. If it's better for you, your generations will suffer. If you're part of this government that is suffering Nigerians, your generation will suffer. You will suffer, you will not die well. If you're an APC person, you should be praying because thunder can kill you anytime. It no go better for you. Government will not give me work. Since I graduate, Nigerian government have never helped me out. I haven't benefited anything from Nigerian government. Government will not give me any job. They don't even care how I feel. They don't even care how my family or any of my friends feed. They don't care how Nigerians feed. But now one can collect tax from us from January. Handicapped Nigerians. We are nobody in this country. Then you want to take tax from us where you don't provide any basic amenity for. You didn't give us job. We are not benefiting anything from the government. Now you want to take tax from us. You want to tax everybody. No wahala now. Government will be say, the only criminals they enjoy for this Nigeria where we take. The subsidy removal, where the money dey? All the money where Tinubu don't borrow for this country, where all the money dey? All the money no dey. They don't use them. They don't extravagantly spend all their money on their lifestyle. Now you want to tax us. Now when you tax us, you go know the kind of wicked person where I be. Now when I go know say I wicked though, I not be better person. I not be better person. Now when this thing starts, now when that tax law start, when I go know say I not be better person for this country where we dey. No.
My name is Igbo Advocacy. I'm the leader of Biafra. The only thing I need is justice for my nation Biafra to be restored back as a free nation. And Nigeria has already existed as a country. And my nation Biafra can never be under the bondage of anybody. My nation Biafra can never ever be at the bondage of any country or of any nation. Let my nation Biafra go as a free nation. The only thing I need is justice. Is what I need. Conduct a peaceful referendum. Let my nation Biafra be free. And Nigerian government should stop taking the resources that belong to my nation Biafra illegally, because Nigeria has already expired. Stop taking the resources that belong to my nation Biafra illegally. And I need justice. And all the resources that they are taking from my nation Biafra illegally, they are going to pay for it. We are not going to go scot-free. Justice is what I need. And I'm calling on United Nations, Israel government, American government to please interfere by bringing justice for my nation Biafra to be restored back as a free nation. And the Nigerian government will never ever go unpunished. When I receive my nation Biafra back as a free nation, they will never ever go unpunished, because they are going to pay for all the resources they took from my nation Biafra illegally, because Nigeria has already expired as a country. And the United Nations should please interfere in the issue of restoring back my nation Biafra back as a free nation. Only thing I need is justice, and justice I must get. Thank you. Share this video when you saw it. Thank you.